We've worked thousands of hours to do our very best and make everyone happy. And now we're ready to celebrate because we just received an amazing review we're excited to share. Take a look. We do our best every single time. Though we never ask for feedback, we always appreciate hearing we've done a great job, as we strive to constantly improve our services by listening, focusing, and caring every single time. We want you to experience the best service possible, and at the same time, we would like to earn a 5-star review from you. Contact us today at the number on your screen or visit us online. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.